Okay, what's up guys? It's Mike from Mike and Curtis here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Phillips Hue personal wireless lighting. It's the little kit, the bulb starter kit. So front you can see that these are the colored ones, and then it also comes with the hub and then a light dimmer. And then it also talks about real quick on the front here that you can switch colors, and then you can also have warm white or a full daylight. So you can have a lot of different options for these. But on the side here it tells you what it can connect through, which is Alexa, the HomeKit, works with Google, Nest, SmartThings. So pretty much whatever little digital assistant you have, it should work with. Then on the other side here, it's about to be in Bluetooth and then Zigbee. Then on the back tells you what you can do with it and all the different things. It talks about the starter kit right here. And then shows you a couple pictures of lights, of Philips Hue lights being used, and then talks about what you can do up top. And then up here it just says Philips. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my knife real quick. So we have that right here. Let's go ahead and cut on open into it. Let's flip over the box, that back like that, and it just opens up kind of like that. And then this part opens too, but we'll give a little bit of a closer look right there. And I think that's just talking more about each little thing in it that it comes with. And then once you open that up, you're presented with everything. So right here's the hub, which we'll get to in a second. Let's take all this out. You got your 3 bulbs, but we'll take these out too. It looks like they're manuals. Then you got little power cord box, what I assume are Ethernet something. Here's your dimmer right there, well, part of it, and then see this is the other part that actually slides into there, which feels magnetic. And then there's some more instructions. So we're gonna move the box to the side real quick. We'll go ahead, open up the hub. I believe this just connects through the back right into your router or modem, whatever you're using, and then it looks like it has some type of power supply. So I guess I go figure how to set that up, and it does look, it is able to be wall mounted, as you can see back there. And then let's go ahead and look at the power cord. If I can open this up, which apparently I cannot open up properly. Like 2-prong system, so I don't know what it's actually going to look like on the back here. I guess it doesn't give you anything. So yeah, so here's the US version. So there's the power cord right there. And then we'll throw that to the side. And then you get an Ethernet cable. And then here's, you get more instructions. More instructions from what I pulled out earlier. This one, not sure if that's for just everything else, or if these I assume are for the bulbs. More fun instructions, but we're not going to get into that just yet. Then let's take a look at these bulbs. And then these again are the white and hue, or white and color bulbs. So I am looking forward to actually getting to try one of these out after I get them set up. Yeah, so you get 3 of these. I'm not going to pull all of them out. We'll leave them right there. And then, so again, you got your on-off dimmer switch, which looks like that's battery enabled. Yep, you got a little light. I don't know if you can see that, but it pops on right there. So we'll set that one right there. And then again, this is your little wall mount, which again appears to have magnets on the back. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. And again, that just kind of pops in like that. So if you want to take it off and I guess use it as a remote, you can. I don't know, I'll have to go play with it some more. But yeah, so that's everything that comes in with the Philips Hue starter bulb kit. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.